Hi, kindergarten. So I hope you enjoyed the videos on shapes and seagulls because we're going to make a seagull picture. So I've got my white piece of paper and I have folded it in half from top to bottom. So you might need a grown-up to help you do that. That's just so I know where to draw my bird. So we're going to start by making a big letter U shape that's going to touch this line that we made. So we're drawing the bird up near the top of the paper. So a big letter U shape. Oh, and you're using a black crayon to draw with today. So our next line is going to be a straight line right across the top of that U shape. So now it looks like a bowl. All right, now we're going to draw another U shape inside this one, but it won't be as big. So that's our bird's body. All right, now we're going to do the head. So the head is going to be an upside down U shape, and it's going to be skinnier. So I want to start here, and I'm going to come up and over like a rainbow down to here. So up and over like a rainbow. And then I'm going to draw an eye. And now our beak is going to be a triangle shape. So triangles have three sides. So 1, 2, 3. And our tail is going to be a triangle also. So we have to do 3 sides. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3. Wow, it's starting to look like a bird, isn't it? All right, we're going to keep going with some triangles. So underneath the bird, I want you to come down a little bit, like maybe 3 fingers. And we're going to draw 2 more triangles down here, littler ones. These are going to be the bird's feet. And now I'm just going to make lines from the bird's body down to the triangles for the legs. Okay, so there's our seagull. Now, our seagull is going to be standing on a post, a wooden post in the ocean, like on a dock. So the first thing we have to do is draw the top of the post. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to go around in a circle over to here. So just around. And then we do have to put a little line between its legs to connect it. So now you see it's like a circle. And then we're going to draw 2 straight lines down to the bottom of our paper. And so we want the post to look like wood. So we're going to take our black crayon and we're going to make some marks on the wood, and this is called giving it texture, almost like you could feel the wood if you look, like if you were touching it, it would look something like that. All right, and then the last lines we have to draw are for the water. So I want it to come across to the post and then start again over here to the side. So you can make it a wiggly line, a straight line. I'm just going to make mine a little bit wavy, because wavy lines remind me of water. And then I'm just going to add a couple more wavy lines in there to make it look like water. Okay, so now our drawing part is complete. So next, you're either going to paint your seagull or you're going to color your seagull. So I have paints here at school, so I'm going to show you how you can paint your seagull. So I used some black to make a gray color with my watercolor to paint what would be like the wing and the tail. And then I used some yellow paint for the beak and the feet. And I used brown paint for the wood and blue for the water. And then I kind of did like a sunset sky. So I used some yellow, and then I put some orange on top of that, and then I put some red, and then I put some purple. So you can do the sky however you'd like. But there's our completed seagull picture. So I hope you had fun drawing, and I hope you have fun painting if you're going to paint. Using watercolor paint is really fun. So I will see you next week for your next art lesson. So everybody have a great weekend and happy Labor Day. Bye.